Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be trying another insane Pinterest nail art as a beginner. I'm going in currently with base coat and I'm applying it on my nail for 60 seconds in the UV lamp. Okay, so this is what we are recreating, and I am a beginner. I would say that this looks so good and it looks really advanced for someone like me, but you know what, I'm still gonna give it a try. I am doing the bottom one, not the top part. The bottom one has this rose, which is really cute, this heart and these fringe and this regular, but then with the pinky I don't really know what is going on. I can't really tell. It looks like a rose, but it has some gold chrome in it, but we're gonna figure it out. Make sure to subscribe and watch to the end. Today I'll be doing one coat of this nude shade. I always do two coats. Today I want to do one coat. I realized that I forgot to buff my nails because when I was doing my index, I realized that the polish kept separating. So then I remembered I needed to buff my nails. And that is what I'm doing now. Don't be like me. It didn't really change anything, so I'm quitting. But anyways, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please. Looks better now. This is my nail after. This is the reddest shade of Cateye polish I have, and it looks red on the bottle, but it doesn't really look red when you take it out. I don't know. Wait, it's giving burgundy more than red. I decided to mix red polish with the Cateye polish, and it gave it this color, which is really close to the Inspo, so I kept it this way. I'm starting with a ring finger first, and I'm going in with a full coat of the polish that I created. I think the color I made is really close. It looks really nice and I like it. Now I'm using the magnet to activate the Cateye look. It looks like I'm doing nothing, but I am doing something. It's just not picking on the camera light, or I think at the angle of my camera. This is the final look and it's looking really good. So for this finger, we are doing a French Cateye with a polish. Now I'm going to fill it in. Now I'm activating it with the magnet. So for the middle finger, I'm doing a hat with the Cateye polish. So I'm drawing the outline of the hat. Now I'm going in with the polish to fill in the hat shape that I just created. For the pinky, I'm just putting on some of the polish just around to make like a cricket circle. I don't want it looking perfect. Now I'm activating it with the magnet. For the thumb, we are doing a rose, and I am going in to map out the rose, and that flower part is going to be cat eye. And then the stem would be a chrome. So I'm just mapping it out, and from there I'm going to fill it in. I'm activating it with the magnet again. This is the final look. It usually takes me a while to figure out what I want it to look like. This is how it's looking like after curing it, and oh my goodness, I am so in love. I'm wiping my nails with some alcohol wipes, and we are gonna start with our chrome. I'm applying a layer of matte top coat on my nails. Now I'm going in with top coat. I'm applying like a good amount for all my nail, and one pump of black gel polish. I'm starting with my index finger. I'm just drawing some crooked lines around the French, I don't want it to look perfect. So for the ring, we are also making a crooked French line. Again, we are not trying to make it perfect, but it's going to be enough to see what we are actually going for. What I'm doing now is that I'm going to be outlining the hat. I'm going in with some 3D sculpting gel to add more texture onto the hat, because on the inspo that we are looking at, there was more texture around the hat, and so I'm trying to recreate that. There were some dots around it, so I am trying to do that. And honestly, I don't know why I didn't use a dotting tool, because the dotting tool was right in front of me. I don't know why I was using the nail brush, but now after I'm like, why did I not just use a dotting tool? For the thumb, I'm just going to be outlining the inside and then the outside of the rose. For the lines, I kept redoing it, so I did it off camera. And it still wasn't looking how I wanted it to look like. But I didn't want to keep redoing it, so I just left it like that. Now I'm outlining the inside of the rose. I'm making the stem or the tail of the rose, and I'm going to make some flower leaves, some leaves on it. I'm going to be outlining the outside and the inside of this as well, because that is how it looks in the inspo. Now I'm drawing some petals, some leaves. So this, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just drawing lines, vines, because from the inspo, that is how it looked like, and I really can't tell what they were trying to make. So I'm just doing lines. But I didn't want to mess it up too much, so I stopped. Now I'm going in with some chrome powder as always. And honestly, I feel like I outdid myself as a beginner. I keep trying stuff that I see that are too good, and I'm like, this is so good, and I'm like, I want to try this. So I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just practicing. I'm still practicing. And by doing this, I feel like it's helping me more. So I really like that. And for any beginner out there, I just want you to know that it is possible. You can do it. The more you keep on trying, you're definitely going to get better. Honestly, if I do have the ingredients, like By ingredients, I mean the polish that I need. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. Immediately I see something that I love, I will try it. Also, do not forget to leave down below in the comment section how you think I did. And please subscribe and like this video. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I really like Chrome, and almost almost all my videos there's a use of Chrome. But one thing I do not like about Chrome is the fact that it just get everywhere. So right after applying Chrome, I go make sure to wash my hands thoroughly before coming back. I'm dusting off the excess. I'm going in with this tool and a sponge to further clean it thoroughly. Before I wash my hand, I'm going in with top coat and I'm covering my nail to make sure that I don't end up washing away some of the chrome on my nail. I'm not going to show you the entire process because I want to show you the final look. This is the final look of my nail art, and I have to say I really like it. You should also tell me if you like this nail art in the comment section. Let me know if you like it or not. What are your thoughts on this video? Honestly, my favorite is the rose, the hearts, and actually the French. I also like my ring as well. For the pinky, I don't know what was going on, but it looks good together, and I am so proud of the outcome that I created. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.